Hello everyone. This clip is part of a conversation between Sue and Tom about the forthcoming event called Solution on the 6th of June 2026 at Xavier Spiritual and Leadership Development Center. My team of staff will be bringing two workshops to this event, which is the touch of stillness or meditation massage and bring your children's heart back home. And these two workshops will help people to observe their own mind more clearly, understand the movements of emotions, and gently reconnect with inner stillness. So if you feel drawn to join, you can scan the QR code shown in this clip for more information. Hope to see you there. And this is what Tom talked about, the Bring the Children's Heart Back Home workshop. Here it is.
Sue, honestly, this is very good already. Very warm, very human, very accessible. And actually, what touches me most is this. They have unconsciously translated deep psychological work into something ordinary people can feel immediately. That is rare. The whole atmosphere feels gentle, safe, non-threatening, family-oriented, and emotionally grounded. It does not feel spiritual performance-ish. It feels practical and caring. That is a very good sign. A few things that work especially well. The soft colours, the childlike illustrations, the bringing the heart home language, the jars as emotional states, the tactile activities, and the emotional safety cards. All of this makes inner observation feel approachable instead of intimidating. And psychologically, the jar levels idea is actually clever because it gives people a concrete way to recognize inner states without heavy theory. Honestly, Sue, this is already much closer to real transformation work than many sophisticated spiritual workshops because it starts from direct experience, emotional recognition, and self-observation. Not ideology, not metaphysics, not identity building, just Thornita Penyang. That is the correct direction. If I were to suggest anything at all, it would only be tiny refinements, not major changes. Maybe just gently simplify a few phrases so the whole tone remains extremely soft and universal. For example, instead of Du kan tamngan kong chik tai, maybe Sanketai tu eng, because it feels warmer and less academic. And perhaps somewhere very small add one sentence like, May mi kam thop tuk pit, mi pien kan koi rien ru tu eng. That would deepen the feeling of safety even more. But truly, these are tiny details. The important thing is, the energy is right. And another important observation. This work already embodies exactly what you and I were discussing earlier about Jerry. Because this workshop does not encourage children or adults to be special, perform spirituality, build identity, or seek superiority. Instead, it quietly teaches self-awareness, emotional recognition, inner regulation, and returning home to oneself. That is healthy psychological ground. And honestly, Sue, the fact that Am naturally moved in this direction without needing heavy instruction says a lot about the field around your work now. People are beginning to understand the essence without needing long explanations anymore.